This is Whitecourt and we're here for the Easter holiday. It's Easter Friday and we drove all the way from Edmonton, Alberta to Whitecourt, Alberta. It's like 2 hours, 30 minutes and it was a very smooth drive all the way. When we got to Whitecourt, we met this delicious meal and we all ate, and after we did, we decided to take a walk around the neighborhood. It's quite a small town, as you can see, not so many cars. We decided to look through the signboards, walk around, flew drone and all that. And after which, we decided to check out the lake, which was close to the house. Yeah, but before then, we were just looking at the drone, and then we just had fun close to the lake. And yeah, this is me. I'm really having fun. And yep, we stood by the lake, checking out the neighborhood. Look at these. What a nice lake. Yeah, I think we can rest on this. So we saw these and I was trying to film it. It was going so fast. I don't know what it is, though they told me the name, but I can't remember. So if you know the name, you comment down below. So one of the things that got me was this beautiful bus. It looked like something from the olden days, from the 80s. So this is like a school. I think this is a school area. We went there and then we saw this beautiful sunset. We didn't waste it, trust me. We took time taking pictures. I took my sister pictures and it was so beautiful. The next morning, I made a breakfast. This was around 8 in the morning and we had fun as a family, And yes, this is it. This was on Saturday and it was so windy, so we were indoors all day. On Easter Sunday, we decided to go to the park. We made delicious meal. This is my mom. And then we drove all the way to, I think, Dollarama. We wanted to get some dishes so that we could take to the park and serve ourselves when we would get hungry. So we drove. You see, this is what the city looks like, or the town. I don't know what to call it, city, town. All I know that it's so cool. And I would definitely want to live in such a place because I don't really like populated areas. Like the lower the population, the better for me. Like I don't care. So yeah, this is just like a good place, a nice place for me. Yeah, so this is just a drive through. So enjoy before we get to Dollarama. So here we are at Dollarama. While others went in to get stuff, my mom was busy, really feeling herself. She was like dancing and having fun already before we got to the park. So yeah. It's Easter day. Happy Easter to you guys.
Happy Easter.
We are at Whitecourt right now and we are checking. We actually came into Whitecourt like 3 days ago on Friday, right? Today is Sunday, so it's an Easter Sunday.
Yeah.
And we didn't get to go out yesterday because it was so windy. So today we're all going out.
Yeah.
And we just stopped by Dollarama here. Yeah, you see that? We want to get some I think dishes or something so that we can eat, and then I'll show you around Whitecourt. This is a very small town, by the way, and yeah, see you at the park, I guess. Now that we got what we needed from Dollarama, we are headed straight to the park. But before we get to the park, enjoy the view. See you at the park. Yuppie! We are now at the park and we're just going straight into the park to see what we can do and have a fun Easter Sunday before heading back to Edmonton in the evening. So guys, here's the park, and we're that's the Rotary Club up there. I hope you can see it. Let me zoom. Yeah, if you know what it is, you know. I don't want to explain too much. And this is a nice lake. So here, little park, and that's the washroom over there. So you can do like two, like you stand this way. So right now we're just going around the park, and yeah, see over there. I don't know if you can see. And look at here. So on our way to the river, I saw this and I'm like, is this a possibility? Like, immediately I started to panic little by little because what did you just say? Don't run, don't turn your back. Can you see that? Wow. I'm sure you did not read this caution, right? Huh? You didn't read this caution. What's that? They say be smart. They now draw different animals telling you if you see, do not run. Do not turn your back. Do not this. That's very good. See there.
But it's normal now. Most places like this with bush, like this will happen. You carry this now. Let's teach. Eh,
So where would they walk to actually?
exactly.
Where are we going to?
Now you will dey follow. Make we turn back now.
Okay, let's just get to the end and come back.
So finally we got to the river safely. No beers, no whatever on the road. And we were able to meet someone who directed us. We're actually close to the river when we were almost giving up. But thanks to this gentle man, we were able to locate this place. So it's just like 15 minutes to 20 minutes walk from the park, from the main park where we came from earlier. So this is it. Isn't it gorgeous? So just enjoy the view while I also enjoy the view for myself. Back to the main park. It seems like everything or almost every event in Whitecourt take place here. So yeah, we're literally back seeing the gorgeous lakes again. Remember the Rotary Club? We're back and it's getting kind of windy at the moment. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So we went back home, got ready and headed back to Edmonton. Yes, same day, same evening. So this is ours. So we're leaving Whitecourt, going back to Edmonton, and this was in this gorgeous field just on our way to Edmonton. It's a beautiful evening. This is just like 7 p.m. It's still bright, and yep. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.